coverage you can count on begins with grocery stores and restaurants seeing a dramatic increase in the price of eggs across the country and here at home. Graham Lee has a look at the local impact.
Egg prices have recently been skyrocketing across the country, and grocery stores here at home are seeing the impacts firsthand.
The farmers are having a hard time keeping up, basically, with the demand for the eggs, which they're having to work harder, basically. And so you have to raise the prices to meet the demand and the supply. And so that affects our prices here because we had to pay that extra price too.
The nationwide shortage is due to the HPAI, or the bird flu. The Centers for Disease Control recently reported the virus has infected 60 people so far, with one case turning deadly. At Good Earth Produce and Garden Center in Augusta, their eggs come from local farmers in the area. But since farmers are adjusting their prices, eggs at Good Earth are now $10 a dozen.
Every week we get a shipment of the eggs, and because he had to raise his prices, we did have to go up another $3.
Lanier's Fresh Meat Market is also seeing the impacts.
Our eggs went from $2.99 to $5.99 per dozen, and we still have the lowest prices in town, but they have gone up significantly, and we do not like raising our prices.
The shortage is also impacting the chain restaurant Waffle House. Restaurant leaders announced they will temporarily have a 50-cent surcharge per egg on all menus to combat the shortage. With no telling on how long the shortage will last, complying is all the stores can do for now.
We always do everything we can to work with the customers and make them happy and get what they need.
While customers are paying the price in stores, health agencies across America are now monitoring the situation to make sure the customers don't pay the ultimate price. In Augusta, Graham Lee, WJBF, News Channel 6.